Welcome back, guys. Alright, so as you can see, got front of the car kind of missing here. Did a little tinker with the car a little bit, I guess, last weekend. And I guess I can give you a little update of everything, well, what's going to happen with the car, and kind of see what your thoughts are. So really thinking, well, I am going to put a stock LX bumper on the car, fenders, hood and all. I actually got all this for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and I only had a couple people buy it on it, but they're not going to give me what I want for it. So still hanging on to it. Got fenders over there and all, but gonna do this stock, put stock bumper back on it, fenders and all. Obviously you're going to have to cut it out for the side exit exhaust, and that's about it really. Everything should just go right on. I think my only really concern is the headlights here, how I'm gonna mount them up, because as you can see here, got a tubular front end on it. There's nothing stock, so I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do that. If you have any suggestions on that, be sure to leave me a comment down below. I like to hear it. What else I done to the car? Oh, I also raised it up. Front end was like slam hardcore. Never got around to adjusting it. I mean, as you know, car was set in a locker for a year, so there's really no room to mess with it at all. So finally got around to doing that. Raised it up 1.25 inches. Kind of just go from there and see how it does. But I think that's probably gonna be about right, because the wheels were hitting the fenders and everything, and it was really low. And plus, I don't know if you know, on the transmission I have a bigger pan on it than stock, so it sits kind of low. So it's wide. It'd be a good thing, or be a good idea just to raise it up a little bit, give it a little bit of clearance and all. That's all really done to the car. And yeah, so basically I'm looking for some new fenders. Like I said, I like getting new fenders. I don't have to do much prep to them, so we can paint it, kind of like the front bumper clip and everything. But after looking at the prices on those, I may just try to find something used that's in real good shape, hopefully at a decent price. Everything right now is just, everything's back ordered, and everything's half things are unavailable to get. So maybe it was a good idea to not work on the car for a year, because won't be able to get anything. Other than the car, I don't know, last video I said I was going to put some shelves up. I'll put one big shelf up here on the back, kind of like I did at my old house. Basically same setup, same brackets, you want to call them, whatever, and some wood and all. So got that done, got some junk up there, still got crap everywhere. May stick my ride motor in the back. Finally got a patio poured and everything. May put that back there for right now. Just get out of the garage, probably put a cover over and everything. Right now I'm just basically trying to get things out of boxes, because trash day is Monday. If I can get as much crap out as I can. We pick up a generator before we sold our old house. We had that big old Texas storm. I don't know if y'all remember that. If you Texas, you do. We didn't have power for like 3-4 days. So when we had this house built, I have a dedicated breaker just for a generator. So power goes out, just plug generator in, we'll be rocking and rolling. Got that set up. I even picked up air conditioner for the garage. It's supposed to be good for like 550 some odd square feet. I think this garage is right around 500, I think. So got one of these, get that set up. Kind of worked out. Got 2 windows here in the garage, so I can run the tubes to that. What else? That's about it really. Just tinker around in the garage and get things kind of more in order. Got a bunch of this crap on the ground, like axes and hoes and shovels and all that. Well, I did have a little kit. You can see their little black thing or red kit there. I was gonna put it on the wall, but I'm kind of out of wall space now, so gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about that. I think I might just stick it over there somewhere, but we'll get that figured out. Finally got a new toolbox. It was due for an upgrade. Basically built 2 cars with this little toolbox. On half-time's tools sat on my bench. Never gonna be found, but got a new toolbox. May get rid of that one day. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Yeah, once we get everything done here in the garage, get halfway decent, we can get started on the car. Start tinkering with a little bit more. Still need to figure out this transmission issue. I think I told you on the last video was give me some. It was doing some grinding, moaning sort of noises, not the good noises, the bad noises. So, not sure what's going on with that. Like when it's cold, it'll go into gear just fine. Move on power and everything, but once it warms up, it starts making this awful noise, and you put it in first, it doesn't do nothing. It's like a neutral. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, but since I got the car here, it hasn't done anything like that, so I'm not sure. Maybe just me just rolling out of the storage shed was doing something with the transmission. Maybe something wasn't locking in all the way or something. I don't know. I'm not real 100%. Not real familiar with automatic transmissions, so hopefully it's something stupid like that. But hopefully we can drive around the block, whatever, and see if we can recreate it. If not, great. We'll just carry on. We'll just keep an eye on it. But I guess we're just gonna carry on as garage and try and get as much as crap clean up as possible. Alright, so it's looking better. Just got some trash over here. I will get that out tomorrow. Like I said, Monday's trash day. I got a truck full of crap as well. So, got a pretty good dent in it today. Do have a question for you guys. I've been thinking about it here while I was cleaning. So I got this front bumper here. It's the, the stalker one, or whatever you want to call it. What you think if I go ahead and just cut this bottom part off and maybe rivet on a different front and bottom here? I mean, I've seen it done on other cars, but I don't know how well it's going to look, being fiberglass and all. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think. The reason why I'm thinking this is I still have my everything to bolt the headlights on, and I'll get rid of the sides, the holes. I don't need those anymore, obviously, because my exhaust goes through the fender. What else? And it's still fairly decent shape, really. It's really the most of the, the roughness is down here. So if I just cut it off, I guess about right here at the bottom here, I guess where a mold will go on a stock car, and just cut off just right underneath it, and just put a cover on. I might just do a little research tonight, but let me know down in the comments what you think. Is it a good idea, bad idea? Try to just sell it, or what? Because if I do, like I said, if I do a stock cover, I don't have the revisions here for headlights unless I get that big, I guess that bad, we want to call it, the big white piece that goes behind it. I really don't think it's going to fit with, how my front end here I got here, the two front end. So kind of thinking that while I was cleaning the garage, I was thinking, what if I just cut that bottom part off? So like I said, just leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I threw some fenders on. I mean, they're not perfect, but you get a kind of idea. I can actually get my fingers in here, but they're not fully bolted on, so they may actually go up just a hair bit more. But before, I couldn't get my fingers up in here. So going the right direction. Yeah, like I said, just been cleaning this garage, and now I can actually get through here. I mean, it's not like 100% perfect, but it's definitely getting better. So next, I'll probably work on that section over there, and definitely work on some lighting. I have two of my old lights from the old house, but I think I want to do like maybe like a strip, LED strip or something. It goes all the way across, and do something. Guess when the door's down, it has some light there, because it doesn't do anything right now with the door up. So yeah, figure out what I want to do there. Then, and we should be pretty well set. And eventually one day we'll have our shop and everything. But like I said before, it takes time and money. Yeah, we'll eventually get there. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I don't want to make it too long, too boring. But yeah, give me your thoughts on that front bumper clip. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. So be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Videos are gonna be the normal again. And until next time, I will see y'all later.